Hello again everyone, welcome to Breakaway C Box Breaks for the 2013-2014 SP Game Use Box Break number 47. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is NE206-027-091. That's NE206-027-091. There you go. Good luck, everybody. Got a rookie Fabrics quad jersey of Mikhail Grigorenko, Daniil Yakupov, Vladimir Tarasenko, and Valery Nichushkin. Randomizing out the between the Sabres, the Oilers, the Blues, and the Stars. Then a Fabrics dual jersey of Shea Weber and Pekka Rinne for the Predators. Rookie Fabrics jersey, Morgan Rielly for the Leafs. Thinner Fabrics jersey, Mike Richards for the Kings. And a thinner rookie auto of Max Reinhart for the Flames. And there we go. So let me just get the random set up 1 second. So between Buffalo, Edmonton, St. Louis, and Dallas. Randomizer 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. That card goes to Dallas. Congrats to Dallas. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.